This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Rachel Kosmak. Spacious 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom townhome available for annual rental in the gated community of Ives Dairy Townhomes. This well-maintained home features an open floor plan, a modern kitchen with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and ample cabinet space. The spacious primary suite offers a large walk-in closet, double vanity, soaking tub, and separate shower. Generously sized secondary bedrooms and oversized closets provide plenty of storage throughout. Enjoy outdoor living in the private fenced patio, perfect for entertaining or weekend BBQs. The home also includes a 1-car garage, full-size washer and dryer, and driveway parking for 2 additional vehicles. Community amenities include a swimming pool. Ideally located just minutes from Aventura Mall, shopping, dining, schools, Hard Rock Stadium, I-95, major highways, and beautiful beaches. No pets. Community requires good credit for approval. For more information, review the details below or contact Rachel Kosmak at 954-491-3100.